Arienza Land is the developer of Corona del Mar, and they are the ones who is developing Ricksville Heights in Minglanilla, specifically located in Barangay Kadulawan. It is a 42 house subdivision, very exclusive, and the total land area is only 7,400 square meters. The view is amazing. You can directly see the city right from your house. So among these 42 units, only 2 ready for occupancy houses remain, and these are the Breeze units. Lot area is 80 to 102 square meters. This one of the 2 units is a mid unit and the other is a corner unit. So let's go see the model unit for Breeze. This Breeze unit is not the one for sale. This has already been sold. This has 4 bedrooms. There's 1 bedroom on the ground floor. And it's a pretty big bedroom. You can use this as a maid's quarters or a room for your older parents. The kitchen, that is already the deliverable. Look at the stairs. The stairs, so clean. White and brown accent. This is bedroom 1. You have a balcony there. This is not the master bedroom yet. Bedroom 2. And bedroom 3, which has its own toilet and bath. So nice, right? Again, this has 2 units left. This subdivision has 2 Breeze units remaining. The mid unit is 80 square meters and its selling price is 4.8 million. While the corner unit is 94 square meters in lot area and is 5.3 million. The down payment is to be paid in 6 months before you can move in. But if you can pay the 20% down payment immediately, you can already move in. So that's Ricksville Heights, your exclusive Highland living. If you have questions or inquiry, you may comment down below or DM me on my Instagram. So see you on the next video. Bye.